Welcome to another stage analysis video. It's Sunday the 15th of December 2024. I'm going to start today's video with a look through some of the week's significant bars, as we had this week. It was mostly a negative week, but I wanted to cover some of the areas of relative strength first. There wasn't a huge amount, but there were a few more significant areas like AVGO and Google, for example, and a few others I wanted to go through first before getting into the regular content. So AVGO had an earnings move in the after hours on Thursday, sending it higher, obviously pushing up to new highs. If we go to a daily chart of this briefly, you can see the gap up move, 24.43% on the day, on some very strong volume. Obviously not similar to some of the strongest moves that it's had in a while. Back to the weekly chart here, you can see it's been in stage 2 for a while, since it started to move out in late December 2022. Multiple smaller bases and larger bases along the way that have obviously started to break down a little bit in more recent times, but this earnings move has pushed it back higher to new highs again, so quite extended in stage 2, in stage 2B at the moment. So we go to the stage analysis chart here, you can see just moving back from stage 3 into stage 2B again with its stage analysis technical attribute score pushing back to the maximum of a 10, which it hasn't been since the previous earnings gap move back over here. So obviously went sideways for a long time following that. Come back to the weekly chart here, you can see in the short term, actually we go to a daily, it's got extended. So from that gap up move, the low of the day is above the plus 3 ATR level. So the ATR levels are distance from the 21-day exponential moving average. So the 21-day, the 1 ATR, the 2 ATR, and the 3 ATR levels here. So at the moment, 209.58 is the 3 ATR level, for example, and that's its normal trading range that it's in on a daily basis with that 1 month moving average. So a little bit extended in the short term here, so we want to see how it consolidates relative to this bar, whether it seasonally follow through. See if it starts to undercut this and start breaking back down. That'll be a near-term sign of weakness there. So AVGO looking interesting at the moment following that earnings move. Google, also another one moving back into stage 2. We come again to the stage analysis technical attributes chart here. Just change the ticker. You can see in its group interactive media and services, it started to move. It's back at the top of the group chart here. Just quickly go into the group page itself, again pushing to new highs, the group itself, but there's only in the low 30. So here if we come back to let me go back onto the page, there's only 33% in the sub-industry that are on a stage analysis technical attribute score of 6 or higher. So if we just switch that around, that is these stocks here. So Google, Meta, Rum, Momo, YYZ, Cargy, Yelp, etc. So, but the majority of the stocks in the group, more than 2/3, are in still got a weak stage analysis technical attribute score at the moment. But we have seen the percentage of stocks above their 30-week moving average moving up towards the 50% level. So strengthening in the near term there for the actual overall group. As you can see here, with this making a new stage 2 continuation attempt, actually pushing out to new highs and then dropping back in a little bit. So some strong relative volume in that, and this was on the news of a quantum computing breakthrough that sent lots of the quantum stocks moving in the opposite direction in the near term, but then they started to stabilize again, as that's been a strong theme in the last few months. So again, back up to a stage analysis technical attribute score of a 10 and moving back above the Mansell relative strength 0 line here. So on a daily basis, with that move up, it's actually got a little bit extended. I'll get the ATR bands on here. It did go above the 3 ATR level briefly and has come back in, so back into the normal range, but still just between the 3 and the 2. So a little bit extended in the short term now, so we'll be looking to see how it develops relative to this significant area here. So ideally don't want to see it come much back past the halfway point of that. And the previous high from here, it's just dropping back down below the low. So in the near term, it's a little bit extended, but we want to see how that moves in here, maybe a VCP and potential continuation. GIII, another one that had a big move this week, did move back into stage 2 recently with this big reversal move here, had a spring type action, pushed back up with a near-term sign of strength there, and then has gone sideways for a while, now following through again with another significant bar, pushing back up to new 52-week highs. Mental relative strength back above the zero line there, not huge volume on this one, but is starting to show a change of behaviour over the last couple of months after a brief stage 4 decline. So looking for see if this can potentially consolidate and push out towards new highs as well.